Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Blurry DC5. I got something special for you guys today. We're going to be installing the DC5 Creations crash bar onto the boosted RSX. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I just want to do a quick overview on the product before we do install it, just because this is going to be a fairly easy install. It's literally maybe 6 bolts, something like that, so it's not going to be too hard on the install. So I do want to do like a quick little overview. It already comes with the mounting brackets ready to bolt onto the car. Just want to show you guys the quality on it. I believe it's made out of chromoly, and that's supposed to be lighter and stronger than the OEM material. Also, this crash bar that we got here, it's a lot smaller than the OEM one, so it's going to give you guys a lot more space for those of you guys that are running intercoolers and I believe aftercoolers. I know supercharger boys, I know you guys run that. Quick little view on the build quality on it, guys. This thing is beautiful, man. I just want to show you guys the welds on it. Like, overall, the whole build quality on this thing is just perfect. Little rundown on the options that it has. Obviously, you guys could get it powder coated, non-powder coated, and I believe on the website it says you could either get it powder coated black, and that's just kind of like the default powder coat option, I guess you guys could say. And if you want, you can DM him and you could get your own custom color. So on the website there is one that has brackets and one that doesn't have brackets. So what I mean by brackets is, I mean like the intercooler mounting brackets. So if you do order with the intercooler mounting brackets, it's going to be coming out somewhere right here, and I believe it fits the PLM intercooler. I'm not too sure exactly the name on it, but I'm gonna post a picture so you guys can see. Guys, look at it. That thing is beautiful. He does have 2 different variations, so one for the RSX and the EP3, and then the other one is going to be for the 2006 to 2011 Civic. So 2 different variations. Like I said, you can get it with the intercooler mounts or without. I got it without because I already have my intercooler set up. The logo right here, it's brushed. I guess you could polish it if you guys want, but it looks good the way it comes. It's fairly lightweight. Yeah, it feels like a good, I'm gonna say 10 pounds. It's not too heavy, maybe less. I really like everything about it. Let's go ahead and get started with this install. All right guys, so real quick before we get to installing this thing, you're going to want to remove your bumper and your headlights. So just a quick heads up on that. I'm not going to be showing you guys that. Just, it's super easy and you guys should probably know how to do that by now. If you don't, just go ahead and DM me and cuss me out or whatever you guys want to do. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and remove the bumper, remove the headlights. All right, so just quickly, just to show you guys the bolts that you guys are going to have to take off. It's 2 12mm bolts right here, and then 1 on the bottom, and then same for the other side. So it's going to be 2 12 and then 1 on the bottom. So as you guys can see, the fitment is spot on. Just by mocking this up, I can already tell this is way more space than the OEM crash bar. Guys, look at it. It looks so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it up, but before I bolt it up, let me show you guys what I did with my grounds. So I ended up moving my ground right here. I did have it underneath the crash bar, but I don't want to sand the crash bar, and I don't want to have it sandwiched in between this and the chassis. So I moved my ground for the battery right here, and same for this side right here. So I had this underneath. I just ended up moving it right here. So that worked out fine. I had no issues with that. Guys, like I said, the fitment is spot on. And just to show you guys that real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this up, and yeah. All right guys, so we're back. We're finally done. Went ahead and I tightened all the bolts up. Everything, like I said, everything fit spot on, guys. I am like super impressed by this. The build quality A1, the fitment A1, the looks A1. Like, look at this, guys. This thing looks beautiful. I don't even want to rock a bumper by how good this thing looks. Guys, look at the amount of space right here. Like, you guys have so much space right here now to do whatever you guys need to do. So once again, if you guys are boosted or supercharged and you guys need that extra space, guys, this is the thing to buy. But yeah, guys, it was super easy to install. I really do appreciate you guys watching. Guys, if you guys want like, comment, subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Ask whatever you guys want down in the comments below. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. I really do appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. Guys, stay tuned for the next one.
Keep it steady.
Let's go again. Meow, meow.